How to turn on or turn off exercise mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. And in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on modes and routines. After that, tap on exercise. Now tap on the blue button here at the top to turn on or switch off exercise mode. You can also customize your exercise mode down here, so you can choose to turn it on manually. You can also turn it on automatically when certain things get triggered, such as an app get opened during exercise, or if you're at a certain place or certain time. And you can also add in a condition. And then here says choose what this mode does. So stay focused, ways to avoid distractions. So you tap on that, and then you can choose to turn on do not disturb, and you can restrict app usage when this mode is turned on. And you got other actions as well during this mode, so you can choose to play music, execute sound mode and volume, turn on control smart things, and you can add other action as well. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off exercise mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.